What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing Outlaw Midas from Fortnite Lawless. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw two circles for the eyes. I'm going to start with the one on the left, starting from the very top. I'm going to go all the way around and then back up towards the top. Let's leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So start by lining up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Now in the center of each eye, we're going to draw a small circle for the pupils. Do the same thing on the right. Now inside the right pupil, we're just going to fill this in black. Let's move over towards the center and draw the bottom edge of the nose, curving this down and then up. Let's move up and draw a short curve going across the bridge of the nose. Let's move back down, add another curve for the mouth, and then underneath, draw a straight line for the lower lip. Now I'm going to go back up and draw on the eyebrows, starting on the inside left eye, then this up, across the eye and out. Do the same thing on the right. Now on the inside, I'm just going to flatten this off with a straight line, taper this up and then out towards a point. Let's fill the inside of the eyebrows in black. And then we're going to add a scar going across the left eye. Let's start from the bottom, that is out and down. Taper that back up underneath. Let's go above the eyebrow, going up towards a point and back down. Now let's move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. Starting from the left side, curve this down, go in underneath the mouth, go across and then bend that up towards the right side, towards the same height. And then from the outside, we're going to draw the ears. Start by going up, round up the ear, and then bend that back in. And then we're going to add a fold across the top of the ear. Go back to the inside and add a hook. Now we move to the center of the forehead. Let's start with a point. I'm going to bring a strand of hair coming across the left side. So we'll start by going up, coming down, across the ear, and then out. Let's come back in across the top, and then bring that back down towards the center. Now from the center, we're going to bend this out and up towards the right. Come around and down. Bend this out and down towards the ear. Now let's go back to the left side. We're just going to close this off with a straight line, and we'll draw the outside of the head, starting on top of the hair, going up, all the way around, come down, and then in on top of the right ear. Let's add some texture across the hair, starting from the middle, and this up, step down, draw another one going out, add a couple more going out from the right side. Let's add a couple over on the left. Now we're going to finish off the bottom of the hair after we've drawn in the body. So let's start on the side, curve the body going out, and then down towards the hips. And then from the hips, draw a curve. Let's move up, draw the top of the belt with another curve. Leave a gap in the center, draw two lines across the side of the belt buckle, and we'll trace the belt buckle along the inside. Let's go back up to the top and add a small curve for the collar. And then we're going to add that chain. From the left side, curve this down and up, then trace this along the outside. Let's add a simple pendant across the bottom. Now along the side of the body, we're going to draw in the holsters. Draw a straight line going out, come straight down, and then bend that in towards the hips. From the top corner of the holster, step over, bend this up and then out across the handles. Angle this up and in, curve this back in and then down towards the side of the body. Now from the buckle, we're going to step down, add a curve going up and then down. Leave a gap in the center, go to the left side. Then the left leg going out and down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the same height. Now I want to curve the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left side, bend this down and up towards the outside of the foot. Now, I'm going to go back to the left side, curl the foot going up, bend this down, aiming towards the heel, and curl that back up towards the inside of the leg. Now we're going to go back up to the hips, we're going to draw the outside of the leg, bend this out and then down on top of the feet. I also want to add a thick sole across the bottom, so we'll take this curve, step up, and trace that across. Let's add that little detail across the inside leg. Start from the heel, bend this out and up, come down, and then bend that back up. And I want to trace this along the outside. Just taper this, and come back in. Now we're going to go underneath the holster and add in the arms. We're going to start down here, bend this out and down with a short line coming down towards the wrist. From the wrist, draw a half circle for the thumb, and then close off the ends with a bracket. Let's add 3 fingers on either side. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, we come down and up around that bracket, go to the side, there in the second finger, and then the third finger, we're going to go all the way around and just tuck that up underneath the head. Now we can go back and layer the hair in underneath, starting underneath the earlobe, bend this down and out, curl this down and in. I'm going to add one more point, coming down and out, and then in behind the arms. Now I want to separate the hands with that gold going across, so I'm going to start on the left, just going to draw a wave going around, and back in. Let's do the same thing on the right side. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Outlaw Midas from Fortnite Lawless. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.